Welcome to my show. I'm Dhriti Athri, and here are the biggest stories that are making headlines across the globe today. So let's start with it. Trump's Greenland power play. Donald Trump is eyeing Greenland for a US strategic presence without any formal ownership. Think like workaround and not invasion here. US bases, they can operate freely. Greenland remains Danish on paper. Well, the entire Arctic is becoming a chessboard for global power. The Cyprus model in Greenland. The US wants Greenland like Britain's bases in Cyprus. American law applies there, but forces, they act freely. Greenland, they cannot intervene. In the meantime, its sovereignty by stealth, allies are watching nervously. Could this redefine what allied territory really means here? US control zones proposed. Certain Greenland region could become the US bases zone. Intelligence, military defense, and rare minerals could be accessed here. Denmark's permission may not be needed. Well, strategic dominance under legal disguise here. Access to rare earth minerals could fuel decades of technological war. Quiet talks at Davos. Trump reportedly discussed the idea with NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte. Though there is no official announcement here, no paperwork signed, just private alignment behind closed doors. Davos becomes the stage for Arctic power negotiations. Why Greenland matters? Because Greenland is more than ice. Arctic gateway, Russian shield, counter to China. Mineral treasure, missile defense dream. For Trump, it equals US national security. Control here could shift the global balance of power. United States sees strategic win here. Trump's camp calls it a win for NATO and the West. China blocked. Russia deterred. No colonial takeover, just strategic presence with maximum influence. Well, every move signals strength without firing a shot. Critics warn of stealth sovereignty, control without consent, power without any responsibility. Well, borders rewritten via legal loopholes. Denmark and Europe grow wary of precedent here. Some call it empire building in disguise. Greenlanders speak out, skeptical, worried, and angry, caught between Denmark, America, China, and even Russia. The new US plan fuels fear. Who truly owns their land? Well, local voices, they feel invisible in the Arctic game. Europe on the edge. If Greenland works, similar deals could actually spread. Military zones today, resource access tomorrow. Border feels more flexible. Europe is watching closely. Trust between allies is being tested in real time. The symbolic cake incident. A congresswoman shared a cake shaped like Greenland, colored with US flag. Celebration or message? But Copenhagen, they didn't laugh. The symbolism triggered alarm. Even deserts, they are now geopolitic. Map with soon post. Katie Miller, she shared a US-colored Greenland map with just one word, soon. Signals of pressure, not humor here. Allies question US intention, but social media becomes the silent diplomatic weapon. Arctic influence battle. Greenland is the future battlefield. Shipping routes, military bases, rare minerals, melting ice. China and Russia monitor closely. Control here is global leverage. Who dominates here? Well, that country controls the Arctic's destiny. Modern power tactics. No tank, no soldier. Memes, social media, and symbols carry force. Diplomatic pressure is now subtle, public, and digital as well. The age of symbolic warfare is here. Iron Dome versus Golden Dome. Israel's famous Iron Dome saves cities from rockets. United States Golden Dome aids to shield continents from nuclear weapons. Defense meets global deterrence here. Small shields protect today, big shields shape tomorrow. Iron Dome basics: detects rockets, calculate trajectories, launches interceptors, protect homes and civilians, cheap, selective, efficient. Tactical but not strategic. Well, Israel's daily survival depends on this tiny but mighty system. Golden Dome ambition: tracks ICBMs, hypersonic missiles, nuclear threats, space-based attacks, everything, multi-layered system over land, sea, air, space. Deterrence at a global scale, well, a single launch could trigger continent-wide alerts. Here's the cost comparison now. Iron Dome interceptor, tens of thousands per missile. Golden Dome, millions per shot. Satellite network, radar, and infrastructure costs hundreds of billions. Well, ambition meets risk. The stakes are measured in billions and human life. Strategic implication: Iron Dome is defensive, Golden Dome is political. If US blocks nuclear retaliation, first strike calculation change. Travel goes uneasy, deterrence can now become a tool of global leverage. Trump links to Israel, cites Iron Dome success as proof that defense systems alter wars. He wants similar US-led global shield now, control, supremacy, deterrence all in one. Diplomacy and defense are merging in unprecedented ways. Golden Dome versus civilization. Iron Dome saves cities, but Golden Dome aims to protect continents. Survival versus supremacy, well, the stakes are global, not local. Civilization itself becomes the unit under protection. Trump leaks Putin's message. At Davos, Trump revealed a private phone call with Putin after ending the Armenia-Azerbaijan conflict. Public diplomacy shocks the world. Private talks become global headlines now. Transparency or spectacle, the world debates. Azerbaijan-Armenia ceasefire, well, Trump claims that his intervention helped stop decades of fighting. Thousands affected, border tensed, diplomatic power showcased in public theater. Every word echoes in a region it prones to sudden war. Greenland at Davos. Trump signals Arctic power ambitions to global investors and allies. Greenland becomes the stage for the US strategic messaging here, every word calculated. The Arctic now is a spotlight in global politics. Erdogan-Trump call on Syria. Well, Turkey announces a ceasefire between Syrian forces after speaking with Trump. Erdogan warns the SDF, disarm or face consequences. Well, border, forces and authority contested here. A single phone call reshapes the battlefield. Kurdish rights versus weapon. Well, Turkey acknowledges Kurdish suffering but draws a hard line. Rights do not equal weapons. US-backed forces must comply or face the risk. Humanitarian concern clash with security concerns. United States military build-up near Iran. USS Abraham Lincoln carrier group sailed towards Iran. Fully armed, battle-ready posture. Destroyers, jets, drones, special ops reposition. Deterrence without direct conflict. Well, every moment is a message in steel and firepower. Escalation watch, 160 plus US air moments in week. Precision strikes, cyber operations and covert options ready. Red lines monitored, history warns. Escalation can be swift. Well, the clock is ticking, tensions are rising. Qatar's red alert. Qatar warns the Middle East could explode now. Diplomatic channels urge. Oil markets, shipping lanes, regional stability all at risk. Well, global eyes on Gulf tension is here. A single spark could ignite a global crisis. Texas Republican sparks controversy. Aaron Ridge, he attacked Indian Americans, calling them invasion in Texas. Suggests renaming countries after Indian cities. While H-1B visas are targeted here, massive backlash. He is also facing that. Racial and political tensions collide in the Lone Star State. India's diplomatic crossroad. Trump's US-backed peace plan invites India. But critics, they now warn that this is a trap, bypassing the UN. In fact, India's choice impact Palestine, Global South standing and relation with the US allies. One decision could reshape India's foreign policy for decades. And with that, that's a wrap up of our 30 news bulletins from around the globe. From Gaza to the United States, from Israel to Iran, the world is changing and so is geopolitics. And me, Dhriti Yatri, on Times XP is here to give you all the latest updates that matters the most. See you tomorrow.